Guys, I think uMsimelelo akaza zamthande ufuneka akaza zamthande kahle uthando uZimkhitha, but ke impilo uZimkhitha ke izomehlula very fast and quick uMsimelelo. Guys, hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gqeberha the Empire from the 25th to the 29th of November 2024 on Monday. Lulama calls the cop on Vuyokazi for keeping her against her will. Ntando and Sivuyile confront Msimelelo and Zimkhitha. Zimkhitha buys wedding rings. She's ready to move to the next level with Msimelelo on Tuesday. Lulama continues to chase a high despite deadly consequences. Msimelelo wants freedom from his family on Wednesday. Hlumelo finally gets to play his ace, forcing Vuyokazi to sit on her hands. Funeka is certain that Msimelelo has been bewitched on Thursday. Vuyokazi finds a new way of dealing with Lulama. Msimelelo realizes that life will look different from what he thought. Funeka managed to find peace in her turmoil on Friday. Lulama outsmarts Vuyokazi, but hands Doki in trouble. Msimelelo start to see the cost of being with Zimkhitha. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.